Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to fix can't log into Snapchat problem. Can't log into Snapchat and want to fix this problem? Just follow these steps and you'll learn how. Go to your phone settings, scroll down and click on apps. Click on apps at the top again. Search for Snapchat app in the search bar. Click on Storage. Now click on Clear Data and click on OK. Go back to Snapchat app and try logging into your Snapchat profile. If this still doesn't help, then uninstall Snapchat and download it one more time again. That's how it's done. I hope this guide was helpful and you're able to fix can't log into Snapchat problem. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.